All rise. Judge Viterbi Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1022, Cassidy case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated.
Oof, buckle up, folks. It looks like Mr. Cassidy is back in court. And if it's anything like last time, we're in for a wild ride. Grab your popcorn. This isn't your average child support hearing.
Well, well, well. If it's not Mr. Cassidy, you're back.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning. You brought this case before the court?
Yes, ma'am.
What's going on?
Well, I hope I can speak bluntly, Judge.
You did the last time you were here, Mr. Cassidy.
Now remember, Cassidy's back in front of the judge because he wants off the hook for child support. But here's the kicker. Once you legally adopt a child, financial responsibility doesn't vanish because of drama or new relationships. Let's see how this holds up in court.
That's the only way I know how to do it.
Okay, go ahead.
Well, if you remember how big a hag she was last time, and she's still making my life hell. She went back to the mammary clinic, working the pole, and she's making a lot of money now.
Okay.
And she don't need my support for that redheaded little kid.
Your son.
Well, her son, whoever.
You legally adopted him. My memory serves me right. You legally adopted him. He's your son.
Well, I don't know how legal it was, but...
Wait, did he just call the child support recipient redheaded little back? Yeah, we'll stop right there. Cassidy clearly brought more attitude than evidence today.
So what? Okay.
What is it that I can do for you, Mr. Cassidy?
Well, I'd like to not pay any more child support on that little kid. She's making a lot of money now, and probably more than I'm making. And she went back to work, and she's gone through 2 or 3 men just since last year. And now she's making my life a living hell. She is flaunting her newest boyfriend in front of me.
Didn't you get back with your ex-wife, though?
Yes.
So what does it matter if she's with a new guy?
We've separated again.
Oh, okay.
So every time she sees me, she's met this camel-toed cowboy that he can't even wear the right size pants. He's real young and buffed, and she just flaunts him in front of me.
Mr. Cassidy, what is the reason you want to get off child support? Because I don't think it has anything to do with this cowboy that you're describing.
Okay, viewers, pause right here. What do you think? Should someone stop paying child support just because their ex is doing well financially? Drop your take in the comments. I'm curious how y'all see this one.
Well, she's making a lot of money now.
Okay, so what does that have to do with what you pay in child support?
She doesn't need my money anymore, and she's got old camel toes helping her out.
And where is Miss Cassidy anyway?
Who?
Where is Miss Cassidy anyway? She didn't come to court.
Which one? Oh, the hag.
What? That is not her name.
I forgot what her name was. That's all I called her now, but she wouldn't come to court.
Why would she not come to court? And she knows you're trying to, get off child support, right?
Because she just wants to make my life hell.
Okay, so again, besides her putting you through turmoil, why do you believe you should not have to pay child support? Give me a legal reason, not based on your feelings.
Here's a key legal point. The court doesn't care about the ex's lifestyle unless it directly affects the child's well-being. Child support is about the kid, not the camel-toed cowboy or relationship drama.
Because she's just making too much money and I'm poor.
You're poor.
I'm poor.
You were not poor within the last year that you came here. So what has occurred, Mr. Cassidy?
Crop failure.
Okay.
And, not too much rain. We've had too much rain, a lot of crop failure, and she just don't need my money anymore. She's making good money, and she's got old camel toes helping her out.
Okay, let's just be clear. It's not for her. The money is for your son.
When you say your son,
It is your son, Miss Cassidy. You know what? You obviously came here to waste my time.
No,
just
no,
like
okay,
you
let's
did
start
the
all
last
over.
time.
Okay,
No, we're not going to start over because I have other cases to get to, and you obviously came here to waste my time because you and I both know.
Whoo! Cassidy just tried to argue crop failure as a reason to duck payments, and the judge is not buying it. I mean, unless you're paying your lawyer in soybeans, that's a hard sell.
You're not getting off child support.
Well, can we just get it reduced?
Based on crop failure?
Yes, and her income.
What did you bring to court with you to prove what her income is?
Well, she's not going to give me any papers.
Okay,
What
but
can
you
I
didn't
do to-
find anything on her? You know where she works?
Yeah.
Okay. You haven't tried to talk to her supervisor or anybody to try to find out what her income is?
Oh, they're not going to talk. I've been there.
Okay.
I've seen them throw
So the
money at-
answer then, you don't have anything in court with you today to help support why your child support needs to be reduced, right?
There's no.
It's a yes or no.
No.
Okay, so the answer is no to your relief. Is there anything further?
Yes, I can get it on video.
Okay, well, you don't have the video today, right?
No, but I can get it.
Okay, so that first answer, I take your first answer is no. And if there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
But there is something further.
What is it, Mr.?
So far, no documentation, no proof, no case. Cassidy came in with conspiracy theories and gossip, but the judge came for receipts. And without income, verification, or solid evidence, this case is going nowhere fast.
It's all under the table. She gets paid cash.
Oh, you're saying she gets paid under the table?
Yes.
Okay.
It's all tips.
And you brought proof of that with you here today, right?
I've been to these mammary clinics. I know how it works.
So the answer is no. I don't think there's anything further, Mr. Cassidy.
Okay, Judge.
It was
All right.
good to see you.
What?
What? It was good to see you. And when you are ready to bring proof in court to support your case, I will entertain your case then, okay?
Well, what kind of proof can I bring?
I just explained it to you.
I didn't understand though. I mean,
Some
there's no
type of
W-2
proof.
forms I can get because it's all under the table.
Look, I can't give you legal advice, but whatever you can bring in here to show why you need to be reduced, that's what you need to do.
Like video.
You know, I think I'm probably gonna have my bailiff escort you out of here because I think I've already made myself clear about not giving you any type of relief. So if there's nothing further, Mr. Cassidy.
So if I bring video, then I can maybe get it reduced.
It's possible depending on what that video is.
Well, it's gonna be her up there on stage having money thrown at her.
Okay. Well, we'll have to review it once you get it, okay? If there's nothing further, again, you are dismissed.
Are you sure you just won't reduce it by?
I'm sure you are dismissed.
Ah, yes, the grand finale. Cassidy promises video footage of his ex dancing for cash. Will that help his case? Maybe. But until he brings real proof to court, it's all just noise. And the judge isn't dancing to his tune.
Thank you, Judge.